Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to play Brawl Stars on your PC using Bluestacks. To begin, simply navigate to the official Bluestacks website using your preferred internet browser. Once there, locate and click the prominent Download Bluestacks button to initiate the download of the installer file. This file is typically around 1 megabyte in size, ensuring a quick initial download before the main installation. After downloading the Bluestacks installer, find it in your Downloads folder and double-click to start. A prompt will appear asking for administrator permission. Grant it to proceed. Then, follow the simple on-screen instructions, which usually involve clicking Install Now and agreeing to the terms. This process can take anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes, as Bluestacks downloads additional essential files during installation, potentially adding a few hundred megabytes. With Bluestacks successfully installed, open the application, and you will be prompted to sign in with your Google account. This step is crucial for accessing the Google Play Store, just like on an Android phone. Once signed in, navigate to the Play Store within Bluestacks, search for Brawl Stars in the search bar, and then click the Install button. The game itself is approximately 400 megabytes, so the download time will vary with your internet speed. Once Brawl Stars is installed, launch it within Bluestacks. You will immediately notice the default controls, but for optimal play, we recommend customizing them. Open the Game Controls menu, usually found on the right sidebar, to access the Advanced Key Mapping tool. Here, you can drag and drop controls, assigning actions like movement to WASD keys and attacks to your mouse or space bar. Saving your personalized control scheme ensures a precise and enjoyable experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.